Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to recover and save document on Word. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Many professionals use the word processing system to create written documents and communicate important information. While using Word, you might encounter a situation where you need to recover an unsaved document. Understanding how to recover an unsaved document in Word can help you restore any writing progress you might otherwise lost. So in this video, I will show you how to do it. So first, I will try to create the document. So recover and save Word. Now let's quit this document without save it. Now you want to recover it. How? It's so simple. You can open your your Word, Microsoft Word again. You can open the blank document. You can click on File. You can go to Info. Click on Info, and there is an option Manage Document. You can just click on here, and you'll find there is an option Recover Unsaved Documents. You can just click on that, and in here you can just choose the unsaved document. So here's this one that we just create. Now we can just click on open. So now you have recovered. You can save it. It's so simple, right? So don't worry, don't be panic if you forgot to save your Word document, or maybe your computer is uh, shut down before you save your document on Word. You can just recover with this uh, simple step. It's so simple, right? So that is how to recover unsaved document on Word. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.